going on, my YouTube friends? Look, man, we got a mail call. And nothing better than having a mail call. Because mail calls are cool, man. And I'm going to tell you something. We got this mail call from a really cool dude. Oh, yes, we did. DIY Dark Matter, man. He's awesome. You know what I'm saying? And look, he's even smiling at us. So it's me and my wife, CobraKim.
Hi.
Anyhow, so I'm going to pop this open. I'm not going to show you his address or my address or anything like that, but DIY Dark Matter, thank you, buddy. This is cool, man. And I'm digging the smiley face, buddy. Sorry, I didn't mean to poke you in the eye. All right, let me get this thing and open it up. And you know, she put some, what's that thing called? A splinter?
Put some new letters on my splitter, some Shelby letters. We'll show it too when we're done.
Yeah, they kind of pop out. They're not taped in there. It's kind of a...
They're plastic inserts.
They're like 3D or something. I don't know.
That's what they would call them, is 3D.
So it's really cool. And I'm opening this up because I don't know what's in this thing. And I don't want to wreck it or tear it up, whatever it is. Oh, he's even got them protected. Dark uses protection. All right, you open that one up and I'll open this one. I think they just slide out. Oh yeah. Oh. Look it. Yeah, baby. Yeah, look at that. Dark gave us some wood. Huh? Thanks, Dark. You're all right, man.
Those are very nice.
Man, that is awesome.
Wow, thank
Dark
you.
Matter, thanks, man. We'll use that. That is so cool, man.
Those are very cool.
I'm telling you, he makes these, honey. And it's a casing. He put that in. That is sweet. So I'm not going to try it now, but I guess when ink goes out of it, we could probably take that out and replace it. This is so cool, Dark. Thanks a lot, man.
Thank you.
And she works in an office, so she'll use it, and I'll use it in my office, too. Yeah, it's pretty comfortable, ain't it?
Yes.
That is so awesome. Dark Matter, man, thank you so much, buddy.
Thank you.
We really appreciate this, man. And it's really cool to get a mail call, especially from a guy like DIY Dark Matter. I'm going to put his link in the description down below so you guys can go over and check him out. He does a lot of fabulous woodworking, and he does a lot of lives and streams and stuff like that. Real fun guy to hang out with. He really is. Thanks again, Dark Matter. You're awesome. I don't care what anybody says, buddy. If I say you're awesome, you're awesome. He's awesome. Huh?
He's awesome.
Yeah. So anyhow, she put these letters on the front of her car. It's not really nothing real big or nothing like that, but I just figured it'd be something cool for her to show you. So let's turn this thing around. Yeah, buddy. Oh, what'd I do with my little thing?
Right, yeah, CobraKim. Yeah, baby.
So anyhow, I'll let her show you what's going on here while I hold the camera. But you see these letters, I'll let her explain to you.
They're inserts. They're 3D inserts. We had just film, white film ones in there that looked really cheap, and they were kind of getting scratchy, so I replaced them.
They're basically just like a sticker is what they were.
Yeah, and they're hard, and they fit in there nicely, and they were very easy to put on, and it looked so much better.
And we'll put a link down below with the guy that does them and that, so that way you guys can go check him out. If you want something done from him, I'm sure he probably does it with many different cars, you know, but he's a GT350 guy, so we don't know. But we'll put his link down in the description down below. And if you guys want to check him out and get it, he's a Facebook guy. I don't think he's got any YouTube videos that you know of.
I don't think so. He's got a store, though.
He does have a store?
Business, yeah.
Okay, so he's got a little business, so that's cool. And I think was he up in Canada or something?
He was in Florida.
Oh, he's in Florida. Ooh, yeah, baby. So anyhow, Ford Performance, baby. Yeah, So anyhow, I'll finish this up in the room and I'll bring you guys back. Alrighty. Hey, Dark Matter, thanks a lot, buddy. Those pins are cool. And after we got off the videotape, she was looking at the thing and she's like, man, this thing's comfortable. So that thing's awesome. So thank you, man. That was totally awesome. And my wife likes them and I like them. Yeah, buddy. Like I said, I'm going to put Dark Matter's link in the description down below. Get over and check him out, man. He's a good guy. He does a lot of fun. And a lot of you guys already know him. So go check him out if you don't. Yeah, buddy. So anyhow, I appreciate each and every one of you folks, man. Thank you so much. And the lettering on Kim's car, she just did that the other day. You know, CobraKim. She just did that the other day and she wanted to show you guys. So yeah, buddy, we got her done. So hey, I appreciate each one of you folks. Thanks for all my new subscribers, my old subscribers. You guys are awesome. Without you, there's no use to me making these videos, is there? All right. Have a good day. We'll see you again soon.